Q8429. An airport approved by the administrator for use by an air carrier certificate holder for the purpose of providing service to a community when the regular airport is not available is A/N. A. Destination airport. B. Provisional airport. C. Alternate airport. The correct answer is B. When the usual airport used by the certificate holder is unavailable, a certificate holder may utilize a provisional airport that has been approved by the administrator in order to serve a community. 8430. A provisional airport is an airport approved by the administrator for use by an air carrier certificate holder for the purpose of A. Obtaining provisions and fuel when unable, due to winds, to proceed direct to the regular airport. B. Having the aircraft catered, foods, beverages, or supplies. C. Providing service to a community when the regular airport is unavailable. The correct answer is C. A provisional airport is an airport approved by the administrator, FAA, for use by an air carrier certificate holder in situations where the regular airport is not available. It allows the air carrier to continue providing service to the community even when the regular airport is closed or inaccessible due to various reasons such as maintenance, weather conditions, or other temporary factors. 8767. A person who is not authorized to conduct direct air carrier operations, but who is authorized by the administrator to conduct operations as a U.S. commercial operator, will be issued A. An air carrier certificate. B. A supplemental air carrier certificate. C. An operating certificate. The correct answer is C. An operating certificate will be given to a person who is not permitted to carry out direct air carrier operations, but is permitted by the administrator to carry out operations as a U.S. commercial operator. 8768. The kinds of operation that a certificate holder is authorized to conduct are specified in the A. Certificate holder's operation specifications. B. Application submitted for an air carrier or operating certificate by the applicant. C. Air carrier certificate or operating certificate. The correct answer is A. The kinds of operation that a certificate holder is authorized to conduct are specified in the certificate holder's operation specifications. These operation specifications, also known as OpSpecs, are specific to each certificate holder and outline the authorized scope and limitations of their operations. 9782. All 14 CFR Part 139 airports must report A. Accident and incident data annually. B. Noise complaint statistics for each departure procedure or runway. C. Declared distances for each runway. The correct answer is C. Each runway's declared length is reported for each of the 14 airports covered by CFR Part 139.